Welcome to Egi Snooker, and today we are going to talk about improving our potting skills because many players are struggling with big breaks or better breaks, and they keep missing easy balls. So today I'm going to give you some hints, some routines of practice which you can do in your spare time on the practice table that will improve your break building standards, because and then you will stop missing easy pots. But these practice routines are small routines but are very important, that needs to be done by every player. So let's start today's video. But before that, before we start our video, please subscribe my channel, follow my Facebook and Instagram. The links are there. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me. And also, if you are interested in having a one day becoming part of one day online coaching seminar, please do join me. Send me a WhatsApp message, and then I'll get back to you on details. Let's start our today's video and see what we've got today. So now you can see here that we got yellow, green, brown, and then additional black and pink on the bulk line within the D. And this is the area, or this is the portion where most of the player ignore practicing their potting skills. And I would like to suggest that place balls like this or any other way within the D circle, and then place your white ball anywhere and try to make some points. Like, let's say if I want to start with the brown ball, and I will what my ball. So it's 4 points for me. Then I am on the black, and then you can go back and replace brown and black. So that's 11 points. Again, good angle on the brown, but I'm gonna play black ball just to make it more difficult for myself. Again, 11 plus 7 is 18. Now I'm on a green ball, soft. That's it. Now again, I'm on black. So I'm on 21 break. So what I would suggest that you guys need to keep practicing these simple practice routines that will enhance your confidence of potting color balls, especially the ball colors. Sometimes you are on the ball colors and you want to go back to the black area or pink area, and we miss this ball altogether. Or sometimes we are coming up with two reds, two blacks or something, and finishing up the colors, we either miss yellow, green or brown, because we are not confident in potting in this area. So this is the potting practice routine which I would recommend highly, and try to make 200 300 points to make yourself a bit more comfortable in this area. Let me take you to another practice which is also very important. Okay, now you can see I've placed some blue ball on the spot, and then there's black, pink, green and brown, and I can put more reds or more balls on the other side, but let's keep them 5 reds. This is a simple practice. I will go for advanced potting practice as well, but on a later stage, not now, maybe in next video. So what you can do, we have practiced on the ball end. Now it's the middle of the table, which is the most important, because most of the time you need to control your white ball and going back either towards the black end or towards the ball end. So this practice will also give you a confidence and sense of positional play, that how you can make better positions on your break building process. Okay, let's start from any ball. Of course, I would like to go for the black, which is the highest scorer, and I will again try to go for 200 300 points, the same way we were trying to play on the bulk end. That's 7 points. You can pot same ball as many times as you like. That's not a problem. You can see. So 7 and 6, 13 points. Let's replace them. Okay, and carry it on. You can go on that side. I can follow my ball on this side, but since the camera is over there, so I'm keeping my white ball on this end, just to give you an idea. A very simple practice, but trust me, it's a fun to do these practice routines because these are giving you a lot of confidence when you are completing these routines. Make it 300 points or 500 points, or depending on how much uh, practice you need, because once a player starts his practice routines, um, game and his practice confidence or fluency tells the player that he is confident in this practice or not. Until unless you get good hang of it, good control of this practice, don't try to move any other practice routine. So try to complete the practice routines and then move to another one. Now let me give you another practice routine which is very important, and I think probably the most important, because that is gonna be around your black and pink corner. Okay, so now we are on black and pink spot, and we've got brown, blue, and green in between two spots, and that's where the whole break building goes on all the time, and everybody wants to be perfect, in control, and have a better positional play. So this is the practice routine which will give you a potting practice and positional play as well, because without, they might look simple or easy practice routines, but trust me, when you will start doing these practice routines, you will see sometimes you will overrun your or underrun your white ball, which you will feel like that, oh, I thought it will become here, but it will be here, the white ball, but it is not, because you do not have good command over the white ball. So these practice routines are going to help you in achieving your goal, so you can make like 300, 500, and then go for 200, then go for 300, and try to make 500 points to make it real for you guys. And 6, 7, 8, again replace blue and green. Okay, and then again we are on the green, on the black, keep changing colors. Okay, now we are back on the green or even blue. So we are on 20 break. 24, and then you can carry on. You can replace pink and green, sorry, blue and brown on the spots, and then keep continue this break and make it your first 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and you will see the more you practice these routines, the ones I've shown you in this video, the more confident you will become in your game. And when you it will come to an actual game or actual frame or actual match, you will feel more confident in this area, in the middle of the table, and in the ball can. So without these practice routines, you cannot move further, you cannot enhance or improve your game. I would suggest that any levels player, whenever he's feeling that he's lacking confidence in potting, should go for these practice routines. Again, they might seem basic, but they are not. When you will do it, you will understand that how important these are for any level of player. So thank you very much, guys. If you got any questions, please send me a WhatsApp message or leave your comment, and do share my videos and my channel, and also watch playlist of English language videos, because my channel is now in English. Most of the videos will be appearing in English language. So if you got any questions, follow my Instagram, follow my Facebook page, because I'm live most of the time, and TikTok. Don't forget to follow TikTok, and also you can join my 1 day online seminar course if you're interested. Videos are there. Send me a WhatsApp message, and do some online coach one-to-one coaching online. you can join that, or you can join online coaching course, whatever you want to coordinate with me, you want to invite me, you want to come and visit me, more than welcome. My numbers are there. And don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you very much. Take care.